not minding anything we may have said before, or I may have said, the fact of the matter is that the very count 7 laid under Criminal Code Act Cap C-45, my lord, is not Nigerian law. It doesn't exist. It just doesn't exist. Why should I be in detention over charges that don't even exist, my lord?
My name is Nnamdi Kanu. I lead the largest mass movement on the face of this planet Earth. Determined men and women, prepared to give up everything in pursuit of what is right before God and before man. Let us call upon heaven to take its rightful position this very evening. I am going to pray a prayer of David, because we are nothing without Elohim Adonai El Shaddai, that gave us this very mission. The hardest mission in the world is to set Biafra free. The hardest task on this earth, because most of them are born ingrates. We must honor in heaven. Do you think we apologize to anybody? Without apologies to any idiot. This is a year of insanity and a year of madness. We must pray, because the whole world is listening, and I especially asked Nigerian youths to tune in this very evening or morning or afternoon, depending on where you are. I'm going to pray in English language. We shall praise thee. I will still pray in English. Elohim Adonai El Shaddai, we shall praise thee forever. It doesn't matter what we are going through. In good and in bad, we shall offer ceaseless adoration of your magnificence and your holiness. You are Lord and you are God, you are not man. You are beyond what man can conceive of thee. That is why unashamedly this very evening we proclaim your greatness before the assembly of the upright and in the congregation of the living. Because your work upon our life is great. Your handiwork is honorable and glorious. It doesn't matter what we are going through, because you are God. We cannot question thee, and your righteousness endureth forever.